down. I'm here to help you. Just calm down. Look, I have to make sure you don't escape. Trust me. Huh? She's gone. Well, I was thinking, maybe she's not one of the survivors at all. What if those helmet people are from a completely different time than ours?
What?
Never mind. We found parts that might help fix the ship. But what matters now is we...
There's not much time left, so I'll explain it short and simple. On August 10th, 2055, our Noah's Ark plan became successful.
Year 2055? What's he talking about?
To save the dinosaurs, we transferred the dinosaurs to this time, 3 million years ahead of our time.
Welcome, Lieutenant Mike Wyatt. I'm in the future, 3 million years ahead of your time. From there, I'm making contact with the hyperspace you are in. This is not what you think it is. When the mother computer went out of control, I was left alone in this world. There's a volcano close by. I want you to go down inside its crater. There you will find the mother computer. Debug and reconstruct the program, returning this timeless floating island back to